Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can unlock OnePlus Nord for 5G without password. So if you have, for instance, restarted your device, or if you turned it on and you forgot the password that you need to enter in order to unlock your device for the first time when you turn it on, then unfortunately the only way to recover your device is by using the factory reset option in the recovery mode. So you will need to restart everything, and if you didn't back up your files before, then unfortunately everything of course will be removed, as it seems to be obvious in the case of a hard reset. So we will need to perform the factory reset by using the recovery mode, and in order to do that you need to first of all turn off your device. So you want to press the power button and volume up button together. One more time. There we go. Of course, this opens the power menu, and you want to slide this white circle towards the power off option. Once the device is off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So let's press and hold it, and you want to hold it until you see the OnePlus logo. There we go. Now we can release both buttons. Let's wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should see the language selection for the recovery mode. There we go. So over here we can tap in English, and then you can select format data. You will need to enter the code that is visible over here, and then proceed with the instructions that will be displayed on the screen. And this is how you can get access to your device. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.